Stuck staring at the Roku recovery screen while your TV keeps rebooting over and over? It's one of the most frustrating issues you can run into. But here's the truth. Most recovery loops are caused by a failed update or network issue, not a broken TV. In this video, I'll guide you through easy, step-by-step fixes to escape the loop and get everything working again fast. Let's start with the basic power and reset method, because this alone fixes many cases. First, unplug the TV from the power outlet. After unplugging it, press and hold the physical power button on the TV for about 15 to 20 seconds. This helps drain leftover power and clears temporary boot errors. Next, find the small reset button, usually a pinhole on the back or side. Press it once and release it. Now plug the TV back into power, turn it on, and check if it moves past the recovery screen. If it still loops, let's try completing the update properly through the recovery screen. When the screen appears, select your language. Then connect to the internet. If possible, use an Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi, since wired connections are more stable during updates and reduce corruption. Allow the TV to download and install the latest system software. When the update finishes successfully, it should restart and continue booting normally. If the update keeps failing or restarting, the issue may be your internet connection. Try connecting to a different Wi-Fi network or use a mobile hotspot. If wireless connections keep failing, switch to a wired Ethernet connection. After the update completes, follow the on-screen setup and see if the TV exits recovery mode. If the TV cannot connect to the internet at all, use the USB update option. On the recovery screen, choose the option that says you can't connect to the network, then select Update via USB. Download the correct software for your exact TV model from Roku's official website only. Copy it to a USB drive and insert it into the TV. Follow the instructions carefully and allow the update to complete fully before restarting. If the loop continues, it's time to try deeper reset combinations. First method, unplug the TV. Press and hold the reset button. While holding it, plug the TV back into power. Keep holding for about 20 to 30 seconds, then release and wait. This forces a fresh boot sequence. Second method, unplug the TV and hold the power button for about 20 seconds to drain residual power. Then press and hold the reset button and plug the TV back in. While still holding reset, press and hold the power button again for about 30 seconds. Release both buttons and wait to see if it boots normally. There's another method you can try while already in recovery mode. With the recovery screen visible, press the reset button repeatedly. Watch the status light on the front of the TV. When the light stops flashing and becomes solid, press and hold the TV's power button and check if it starts properly. As a final software attempt, unplug the TV completely. Press and hold the reset button for about 30 seconds, then release it. Leave the TV unplugged for several hours or overnight. This extended power drain can sometimes clear stubborn recovery flags. After that, plug it back in and see if it finally exits the loop. That's it for fixing a Roku TV stuck in recovery mode. By following these steps, you've now covered every safe software-based fix. In most cases, one of these methods resolves the issue. If the loop continues after all of this, the problem may be hardware-related. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple and useful tech fixes. And if any of these steps worked for you or you have questions, let me know in the comments below.